Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the controller down and removing batteries. This avoids shorts and accidental inputs. Next, remove the rubber grips and 4 torque screws hidden under them. Use a plastic spudger to gently pry halves apart at the seam. Go slow to avoid snapping clips. Once the shell separates, set pieces on a clean mat and sort screws by length. This prevents reassembly errors. Make sure you keep track of the small springs and paddle hardware so you don't lose them. Once the shell is open, remove the internal shielding to reveal the paddle assembly beneath. You'll see springs, detents, and the contact plates. Carefully inspect each paddle spring for deformation or breakage and check the plastic detents for chips. Clean contact surfaces with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to remove grime that can cause missed activations. If a spring or plastic tab is damaged, swap in a replacement and test spring tension. You want a tactile, consistent snap when pressed. Carefully reseat the internal shield and route any ribbon cables so they don't bind the paddles. Then reinstall the screws snugly but not over-tighten to avoid stripping. Align the shell halves and press clips closed, then replace the rubber grips and screws hidden beneath them. Power up and test each paddle in a game or button tester. Make sure activation is crisp. If problems persist, recalibrate or update firmware. And as a last resort, replace the paddle module. This fixes persistent mechanical or electrical faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.